go. 1, 2.
Don't say I think I broke it.
Hey everyone, Yonsu here, and I'm here with my bestie Michelle Barbie. Barbara. But we are going to be doing her maternity photo shoot because she's obviously pregnant, and I'm a photographer. So if you have a pregnant friend and a photographer, what do? Maternity shoots. So we are currently walking and trying to find a pretty place to take these photos. And look at this. So this is actually really nice already. It's super pretty. We can get in the water if you want. I'm just kidding. But so we just saw some people come by and they said there's a lot of ticks. So we have to be careful and make sure we don't. What was that?
I don't know. It's a big bug though.
Okay, so we are under attack. Be careful, don't fall. I really do want to find some high grass though for like the shoot. But we're gonna be kind of vlogging a little bit, and it's Michelle.
Wait, my dress.
Okay, it didn't show anything. But yeah, so we're gonna keep walking until we kind of find something, and I'm not gonna vlog the whole thing, but it's pretty beautiful here. It's a little dry, the dry parts of Washington, but it's all good. We will keep you posted. Alright, so face kind of towards the horizon and put your left hand on the bottom of your belly like that, and your other one on top, and face towards me. Head back a little. Head back and look at me. There we go. Hold on. Kind of bend it a little. Bend your leg. Now the other one. Bend your leg. What happened?
It's a bug.
It's a step. What are you doing?
It's a flying bug.
You're a big girl. The bug's like 10,000 times smaller than you. All right, now look over here and hello. Look over here and tilt your head back. Alright friends, so we got some really good shots. Yeah, I'm really excited to make this video and kind of show you all what we're doing. Well, right now we're just kind of walking and trying to find another location to shoot. We're following this trail, it's really pretty. There's nothing but fields here, so it's pretty cool. And then we have our model here.
It looks like poop.
You look like poop.
Yeah.
Well, I passed by poop earlier and you look nothing like poop. You're
I
gorgeous.
I wish there was mirrors out here so I could see myself in my poses. So I could...
We found this location here. Sit down.
Are you gonna get my feet in the shot?
Yes. So friends, we are back, and we got...
Welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back, guys. Dun 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 dun. So, oh my god. Just kidding. Ow! Okay, so I hope I just got some good shots with Yonsu still pics. He's an amazing photographer at me. And I'm out of breath though because I'm very out of shape and I've been gaining a lot of weight. And
Me too.
yeah, but you're pregnant. 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 What do you want to say to your baby?
Hi. I don't know.
What are you gonna name her?
I think we're gonna go with Samira.
Samira?
Yeah. I just don't know how I'm gonna spell it yet. So we'll see.
Sammy.
No. Please don't have your friends call you Sammy.
Samira.
Samira.
Samira. Okr. You can call your baby Okr.
That sounds like a bell.
We got some pretty good poses. Hopefully, well, I will put them in here for y'all to see. And yeah, we'll be back. See you in like 2 seconds. 1, 2, I'm back. Just kidding.
Oh my god, that was a shark.
Huh?
That was a shark.
Oh. As you can see, I'm pretty tall because I feel like every time I record myself, like every time I record myself,
It's just my head and my
the guest is always like down here. Like I don't know if you saw that video with me and Lulu. Like she was also down there where you're at. I'm just too tall, man. I'm 7'8". I'm just kidding. There's water. What about if you like put your feet in there? So you're gonna face that way, and I'm gonna get the photo from over there.
Yeah.
Okay. So get down. Yeah, let me actually go over there first. You gotta take off your chanclas. So I'm gonna come right here. Hopefully I don't get ticks. Cause that's scary. I'm gonna come right here and I'm gonna take it from here. And get on in there. I don't know if you want your dress to get wet or not.
I probably
Well, okay. That's good. Make sure it doesn't get wet. Don't fall, be careful. You don't want to drown. Is it cold?
a little bit.
I want to put my feet in there. Just kidding.
It's cold.
I'll wait. Let's go. This is called Cascade Garden. Super pretty. Turn around. Smile. Hey everyone, so we came here to this garden. It's pretty green. I'm not really a huge fan of a lot of green because then like there's just too many green tones when you take photos. Is that a chicken? It is a chicken.
Is that a chicken? Is that a chicken?
That's what I said.
That's a big butt.
Huh?
They have big butt, like fur on their butt.
Wow, this is really pretty actually. I think it'll go with your dress. So, come over here, like right here. And what's your preferred side again? Okay, so face that way. More that way. So tilt your body that way. And what if we do something here? Like in that little shadow? I mean little. Yeah? Okay.
Oh.
Walk a little towards there. And there we go. And so pose that way. And maybe grab the tree bark. There we go. Perfect.
This one?
No, I'm just kidding. Come on, pause the video now. Pause. Be careful. Yay! We did it. Gotta give me a rose.
Can I take the checklist off? Flying Jack.
There we go. 1, 2.
Don't say I think I broke it.
So I'm gonna have you, here we go. Put your both hands on the rails. Yeah, like that. 1, 2. Look over here, smile. 1, 2. Smile. Alright. Over here, 1, 2. Smile. Pretend you're happy with life. Okay. Alright, come over here towards the center a little bit. Alright, 1, 2. Smile, 1, 2. Smile, 1, 2. So grab your belly.